KFB, M1L, M1R, YO, RLI, LLI, CDI, BLO, KFBF, KEB. In this video, we will go through 11 knitting increases, one by one. Each one creates a different look. Some are invisible, some are decorative, some lean to the right, some to the left. And one important note, abbreviations and chart symbols can be different depending on the country, the publisher, or the designer. Always read your pattern carefully. To help you remember them all, I have prepared a free cheat sheet. The link is in the description. Now, let's begin together. Our first increase is the knit front and back. The short form is KFB in knitting charts. You will see it as a V with a small bar. This is the easiest increase for beginners. Let me show you. Knit into the front of the stitch as normal, but do not slip it off the needle. Now bring your right needle around to the back. Knit into the back loop of the same stitch. Flip both stitches off together. You made 2 stitches from one. You can see a small bump, like a tiny purl bump. KFB leans gently to the right. Our next increase is the make one left. The short form is M1L. In knitting charts, it looks like a small slash, leaning to the left. Make one left is part of a pair. Make one left and make one right. They are mirror images. One leans to the left, one leans to the right. Used together, they create almost invisible, symmetric increases. We will lift that bar and turn it into a new stitch. Insert your left needle under the bar from front to back. Now knit into the back of that loop. The twist closes the hole. That's it. One new stitch, leaning gently to the left. Perfect for sleeves, shawls, and yokes. A small tip, make one left is the easier of the pair. Make one right takes a little more practice. We will work on that one next. In the last video, we made the make one left. We just knitted 1 stitch in between, and now it is time for its mirror, the make one right. The short form is M1R. In knitting charts, it looks like a slash leaning to the right. Just like with make one left, we are going to use the bar of yarn between 2 stitches. We will lift it, twist it, and turn it into a new stitch. The difference is in how we pick it up. This time, insert your left needle under the bar from behind. From the back to the front. You can see the loop sits on the needle in the opposite direction. Now here is the slightly tricky part. We need to knit into the front of that loop. The angle is a little awkward at first, so take your time. The twist is what closes the hole. That is it. Our next increase is the yarn over. The short form is YO, the easiest and the most visible of all increases. In knitting charts, it is a small open circle. And as you can see, it creates a soft eyelet, a decorative little hole. To make a yarn over, simply bring the yarn from the back to the front, between your 2 needles. Then over the top of the right needle as you knit the next stitch. That is it. 1 new stitch with a beautiful eyelet beside it. Yarn overs are the foundation of all lace knitting. Our next increase is the right-leaning lifted increase. The short form is RLI. This is a soft, almost invisible increase. Look at the stitch on the right needle, just below the next stitch on the left. Insert your right needle into the top of that stitch from front to back. Lift it, then knit the original stitch as normal. That is it. 1 new stitch, leaning gently to the right. Next, we will do the left lifted increase, the mirror image of RLI. Next, the left lifted increase. The short form is LLI. This is the mirror image of RLI. Same soft, almost invisible look, just leaning the other way. Knit a stitch first. Now, on your right needle, find the stitch one row below. Insert your left needle into it from behind and knit. One new stitch, leaning gently to the left. Our next increase is the central double increase. The short form is CDI. This is a special one. It adds 2 stitches at once. 1 stitch becomes 3. Look closely at the finished pattern. Can you see how it grows? Let me show you how. Knit into the back loop of the central stitch, but do not slip it off. Now knit into the front loop of the same stitch and slip it off. Then knit one lifted from below. This one is a little tricky. Let's repeat it to be very clear. First, knit into the back loop. Keep the stitch on the left needle. Second, knit into the front loop. Now slip it off. And third, knit one lifted from below. 1 has become 3. That is the CDI, perfect for the center of a triangular shawl or raglan increase for your sweater. Our next increase is BLO, the backward loop cast on, the easiest of them all. Look at the result. A clean, defined line. Decorative, no holes, highly recommended. It works on both sides of your knitting. And here's how to do it. Make a loop with the working yarn over your thumb. Slip it onto the right needle. Tighten gently. That is all. 1 new stitch. Our next increase is the knit front back front. The short form is KFBF, a decorative double increase. From 1 stitch, we will make 3. It is a little tricky, but the result is beautiful. Perfect for shawl edges or the center of a triangle. Here is how. Knit into the front of the stitch, but do not slip it off. Now, knit into the back of the same stitch. Still do not slip it off. And one more time. Knit into the front. Now slip all 3 off together. 1 stitch has become 3. Soft, decorative, and full of texture. One more time. Knit into the front of the stitch, but do not slip it off. Now knit into the back of the same stitch. Still do not slip it off. And one more time, knit into the front. And there you have it. Our last 2 increases are the knit one below, right and left, K1B, a soft, gentle pair. They create very tiny eyelets. Depending on your yarn, you may barely see them. Beautiful and fast. First, K1B right, the easy one. Knit the next stitch as normal. Then look at the stitch before central line. Find the stitch 1 row below. Insert your right needle and knit into it. 1 new stitch, leaning to the right. Knit top stitch. Now K1B left. The mirror. Look at the next stitch on your left needle. Knit the next stitch as normal. Find the stitch 2 rows below. Insert your right needle and knit into it. Beautiful. Don't forget your free gift. The cheat sheet with all 11 increases is in the description below. If this video brought you calm, you'll find many more like it on my channel. Have a look around. Thank you for spending this time with me. Happy knitting!